नमस्कार र स्वागत छ सिक्किम क्रोनिकलमा। सिक्किम क्रोनिकल अहिले हार्ट अफ द टाउन एमजीमार्गमा छ र यहाँ भने है मेरो पछाडि हेर्नुहुनेछ यो ब्यानरमा डिपार्टमेन्ट अफ स्पोर्ट्स एन्ड युथ अफेयर, गभर्मेन्ट अफ सिक्किम र लगायत सिक्किम ओलम्पिक एसोसिएसन इन पार्टनरसिप विथ सिक्किम क्रोनिकलले तपाईँहरूको सामु क्विज लिएर आएको छ। यो क्विजको बारेमा के हो कसो हो अहिले मेरो को होस्टसँग जानेछौँ हामी र उहाँ को होस्ट चाहिँ हुनुहुन्छ प्रतिमा गुरुङ। सी इज द कोच अफ boxing. First of all, Tabalai Sikkim Chronicle.
Thank you very much.
So, would you explain more about the Olympics and why are we here today?
Yeah, everyone knows like Olympic is one of the most happening sports event which happens every year. I mean like which happens every 4 years. So we are here. The Department of Sports and Youth Affairs is actually spreading the like Olympic awareness among the masses. So we have come along with this road quiz with Sikkim Chronicles, and we'll be asking some questions related to Olympics. And those who are able to answer us correct questions, will give them India t-shirts, the one which we are wearing. So hope you are ready. We'll just go around. We'll ask random questions
to random people, and if they get at least 3 questions right, we're gonna give them this cool shirt, as you can see, which has India's name written on it.
See, this is the official Olympic t-shirt this time. Okay, the Indian team that will be wearing. So we'll be giving you the original ones. Okay, we've got somebody here. Hi. Yeah, are you willing to participate in the quiz? So you see, we'll ask you 3 questions.
And if you answer them correctly,
if you answer 3 out of 3, you'll get 1 t-shirt. So what's your name?
Dia.
Yours?
Muskan Khatun.
Okay. Can you tell me where is the Olympic for 2020 happening this time?
Tokyo.
Okay, right. That is the right answer. The next question.
Tell me, like, who is named the Olympians? Okay, who all have participated at the Olympics from Sikkim?
Tarundeep sir and Jaslal sir.
Oh, great.
Okay. So now what is he representing?
Tarundeep, he is representing in which sport?
Archeries.
Okay, 2, 1. Now you
go. Final question.
No, she's got 2 more. I think she just did 1. Oh. So can you tell me the names of 3 women who will be participating in Olympics from India? Okay, should I tell you the event? From boxing?
Mary Kom.
Okay. From fencing?
Fencing, Ma'am Bhavani Devi.
Okay, 3 all done, eh? Both of you 3 done. Congratulations, you win the India t-shirt.
We are asking questions to everyone in MGMark and also to the ones who are in the shop. Let's give everyone an equal opportunity to get this cool shirt. So, तपाईको नाम?
मेरो नाम श्याम गुरुङ।
So, हामी तपाईलाई क्वेशन सोध्ने छौं है। यदि तपाईले 3टा क्वेशन मध्येमा 3टा राइट आन्सर दिनु भए पनि यो शर्ट पाउनुहुन्छ तपाईले।
तपाई खेल्ने?
खेल्ने।
ओके, खेल्ने। ओके। याद छ तपाईलाई?
हजुर।
ओलम्पिक कति वर्षमा हुन्छ?
4 इयर्समा।
यस, गुड। फर्स्ट आन्सर करेक्ट। सिक्किमबाट एकजना ओलम्पिक खेल्नु जाँदैछ, तपाईलाई थाहा छ?
हजुर, याद छ।
नाम भन्नुस् त?
तरुणदीप राई आर्चरमा।
अहिलेसम्म इन्डियाले कतिवटा मेडल ल्याएको छ तपाईलाई थाहा छ ओलम्पिकमा?
यस।
मेबी
अहिलेसम्म जति ओलम्पिक भयो? हजुर, गेस गर्नुस् न। तपाईँ छेउछाउमा छ भने हामी दिन्छ टी-शर्ट।
कति 10 होला।
Oh, that's too far.
Okay, so also we can ask another question. So who is representing boxing my India? Yes.
No idea.
Female.
बक्सिङमा थाहा भएन।
उहाँको नाममा पिक्चर पनि छ।
प्रियङ्का चोपडा भएको हो त्यस्तो आन्सर। You get a t-shirt छिटो।
नर्थ इस्टबाट हुनुहुन्छ उहाँ।
आसामबाट।
आसामबाट हैन। Just think. You can ask someone else also.
त्यो मुभी
कहाँ गएर भन्नु नि?
मेरी कोम।
No, Mary Kom, all the best भन्दिनुस्।
मेरी कोम all the best.
Yes, you win 1 t-shirt.
Okay, so he said Mary Kom has support from Sikkim. So with that winning answer, you will get a cool merchandise. Congratulations.
Thank you. Best of luck. Wish you best of luck from Sikkim. Gold medal लिएर आउनुस्। Support from Sikkim. Thank you.
You have come for?
Come for tourism purpose.
Okay, so your name please.
Yasasvi. Piyush.
Manisha.
Okay, three of you answer one question each. We'll give you one T-shirt. Okay.
If
So
you answer them correctly.
so three you have to answer three questions. Then you'll get T-shirt, right? So you are from Jharkhand. So I'll ask you from Jharkhand. Okay. She is the world number one right now. She recently won the World Championship gold medal in archery. Can you name her who's representing India in the Olympics?
Deepika Kumari.
Oh, congratulations. Good.
and also an archer from Sikkim. Do you know him?
You know the archer from Sikkim
Who's representing India?
at the Olympics.
I don't know who is representing from Sikkim.
Okay, that's that. Now, because since you all are like nearby to Northeast, I'll ask you one more question. Do you know who's the Ding Express? She's so popular. Recently, she got commissioned as DSP in the Assam Police. She's very popular. She's the only Indian to have won the World Championship athletics medal
And she also has shoes in
in her name.
Puma.
Now the Ding Express.
Actually, this is our first time visit to Northeast, so we don't know much.
Okay, so can you tell me who's the first woman from India to have won the Olympic medal?
We know only PT Usha. I don't know if she
But
has-
PT Usha, she's never won the Olympic medal. She ranked fourth.
We'll ask you an easy one, okay? So
Deepa Karmakar.
No.
Okay.
we'll ask you an easy question since you said you don't know much about Northeast. So who is the female boxer who's going to represent India in the Olympics?
Actually, I know that she is from Assam, but
No.
from
Yeah.
boxing.
Yeah. You tell us the one who's representing from Assam.
I don't know. She looks like Mary Kom.
Okay. Two answers correct. Now, last question we'll ask you, okay? Who is the first woman Indian gymnast who's participated in gymnastic at the Olympics? Right now you told
Deepa
us.
Karmakar.
Yeah, Deepa Karmakar. Wow, you win
Get a
the.
cool shirt.
Come, so you'll get.
So we are asking everyone in MG Magai. Hello. So what is your name?
हजुर म सोमनाथ शाह हो उता हेलो विकी
Okay, Vicky. So हामीले we are doing an interesting round. हामी क्वेसन सोध्नेछौँ. यदि तपाईहरुले तीनटा क्वेसनमा तीनटा राइट करेक्ट आन्सर दिनुभयो पनि we'll give you a cool shirt like this.
See, we are celebrating the Olympic week, like, okay? Olympic is happening, so you must be knowing about it, isn't it? So you'll get this India. This is the original T-shirt, okay, of the Indian team. You are willing to participate?
या स्योर म्याम
Okay. Can you tell us where is the Olympic happening 2020?
जापान टोकियो
Okay.
Correct answer.
You are from which place? Oh, you are from Sikkim. Good, then I think he'll be knowing it. Can you tell us who's from Sikkim who is representing at the Olympics?
रोय
Which event?
रोय
Right.
राई आर
Okay. In what is he
दिस
representing?
रिप्रेजेन्ट आर्चरी आई गेस
Okay. So two answers correct. The third question.
Can you tell us the name of there's only one woman weightlifter who's participating in the Olympics, woman weightlifter, so can you tell us her name?
नो आइडिया म्याम
Okay. So can you tell us a boxer who's going to represent India in the Olympics?
मेरी कम
Oh, great.
So that is three correct answers, and now we give you a
One T-shirt. Okay. Quiz, okay, on Olympics, right? So you have to answer. What's her name? If you'll answer three questions, you'll get one India T-shirt. She is an athletic runner, okay? She should answer. Yeah, what's her name?
Shakina.
Okay. So you ready?
Yes.
Can you tell us who recently won the under 20 World Championship gold medal from India? She's a woman sprinter.
Hima Das.
Yeah.
Hima Das.
So
one correct answer.
one correct.
The second question.
Do you know who's representing at the Olympics from Sikkim?
Tarundeep Rai.
In what is he representing?
Archery.
Actually,
The third question. If you get it right, you'll get a cool merchandise like us.
okay. So can you tell me? Do you know who's the first woman to get Olympic medal from India?
PT.
Can you tell us who's the first woman from India to have won the Olympic medal in weightlifting?
K. Maleshwari.
Congratulations, you win the T-shirt.
Victory for India.
All the best, Tarundeep Rai. Make us proud.
Tokyo Olympic 2020.
The best Tarundeep Rai, make us proud.
नमस्कार र म यहाँ फाइटिङबाट बोलिरहेको छु र विशेष गरी हाम्रो तरुणदीप राईलाई चाहिँ एकदम हाम्रो सिक्किमको तर्फबाट जति पनि हाम्रो सिक्किममा बसोबास गर्ने कतिजना हुनुहुन्छ उहाँको लागि हामी विशेष भन्न चाहन्छौँ र साथै हामी यहाँ फाइटिङ 2 र 1 का हामी सम्पूर्ण यहाँ दाइबाट उहाँलाई चाहिँ हामी बधाई दिन चाहन्छौँ एकदम गुड लक राम्रो खेलेर आउनुहोस्